Looking at marble today. Don't know what to choose. See the price.
What the hell is this?
13cc.
What is this?
Too black. Oh, ew. Let's go.
Huh?
Let it go.
Level 6.
Oh, that's us.
Yeah, it is. There it is. Ta-da!
This is the final look before it gets hacked down. So now we're going into the master bedroom. Everything here will be gone. The cupboards, cabinet. This is gone, gone. All the grills, gone. Check out our really small bathroom. Ew, out. Next. All carpentry over here will be removed because we don't need this amount of carpentry anymore, and we want to build our own in the future. Matthew want to build, not me actually.
Build what?
Our own carpentry next time.
This
This is the big toilet. We're gonna get rid of all the towels. Bye bye bathtub. Bye bye toilet. This pedestal sink. And then all the towels here will be gone. And lastly, this is an empty room. Nothing much to do here except for the grills. But this will just be another spare room.
Check out the view.
This is what we call what do we call this? The corridor.
Corridor.
This will be the corridor. This will be where the wine rack item is. The sofa, coffee table.
How much is the coffee table cost?
Yeah, expensive. Burn a hole in my pocket already. We'll put some wooden beams over here, and then we'll have the TV over here, the dining table, and then the most difficult task, the kitchen. So everything in the kitchen will be gone. This whole wall we will hack it down, so we will open the whole kitchen. On the lights. This will be gone. I'm gonna do a flat surface to cover up the truth. We'll put the washing machine here. Everything will be gone. We are taking away the whole toilet so we can expand the kitchen. So just now I said this will be gone. For our middle to put an island. Yep, that's it. It's gone. The kitchen is gone. 谢天谢地。
Friendly neighborhood.
Oh my god, it's raining. Here we go again. It's been a week.
Oh yes.
Has it been a week?
Yeah, it's a clear week. Kinda.
All the hacking is done, so let's go and check out the place.
You can start staying soon.
Oh, more SE.
Let's go. All the hacking.
Oh my god.
All the hacking.
Looks like kinda looks like a dungeon. Oh my god. Oh more. There's a toilet seat. Hey, how come they haven't taken down that wall?
Is it the one last one? No, all the electricity, all this is all there. Oh, the fan is still in good shape.
I haven't been here in a really long time.
How long?
I think got 1 month eh.
And what have you been doing?
Slacking.
Taobaoing. Making sure all the things are in. And good. Come on in, everybody.
Oh my god, look at the floor. Wow, wow, wow. The kitchen looks big like this.
Right. The island. So the ceilings are up already. These always all come up already. The
What's all this bag ah?
to
Towel.
wrap you with them.
Shut up.
These are ceilings.
Yo, this looks damn creepy. Till today, I think it's damn gross.
The water tank is up.
Oh, so they put the water tank upstairs. Another creepy place. Dun, 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 dun.
All the tiles are in. We have the contractor Wang here, taking the measuring tape. I don't know for what also.
I just want to make sure.
That 1 inch matters.
Yeah, of course.
Every inch counts.
Okay, so let's see. So at first there they made the false ceiling, and then everything went down. Everything went down, and then I couldn't take it because it was so low. So after that, we asked them to rechange everything and then to push it back up again.
Push it back up. How do you push it back up? Show me.
Just like that lor. Just that this one we cannot do anything about it because this is the original beam. And where I'm standing now is actually where there was a
wall lah.
wall. So we hacked down this whole wall to make the kitchen spacious. And you see there's a toilet bowl actually.
We're gonna keep that.
Because 30 years ago, people all use squatting toilet bowl. Squatting. Actually, I still prefer squatting toilet bowl.
Oh, is it? So for this one,
Oh my god, do you remember what this is?
The
These are the
bathtub,
bathtub.
the bathtub.
So do you want to soak yourself in the bathtub?
Standing bathtub.
Ooh, little bit glossy. How do you like it? How you like that?
Better.
Floor tiles are in somewhat. The balcony tiles. Tons of ugly wires for the aircon. My most hated thing. choosing laminates. Our favorite. This is not even everything, but this is one bag. First shipment? Second shipment, but the first shipment nothing much.
Shipment for what?
I have no clue.
Shipment
This is 400 kg?
400 kg.
400 kg worth of things.
4 cbm worth of goods.
And some of the big items would be this one. This is my marble.
This is 70 kg.
This 70 kg that the uncle
This
say.
small thing.
That the uncle say, 小妹你不可以拿，你拿我赔不起你的背。This is my mirror. And we'll wait and see. These are the few paint shades. Actually, I wanted nude color, but I don't know why it turned out so pink. And then these are the whites. So there's one, this is super white. This is quite greyish, and that's quite neutral. Oh, I think they've done the ceiling. So this is part of our ceiling. The downlights and the spotlights. Mirror on the wall. So this is our backdrop of the master bedroom, and it's all the mirrors. Because somebody like to look at himself every single day.
Which one? Look at what?
Yourself lah.
The master is it?
It's the most beautiful time of the year.
Unboxing one of Christmas gifts.
So tall. I didn't buy this. I didn't. I didn't.
You're kidding me here? And what is this bottle? Oh, it's mine.
Idiot!